Okay, so we're going to try to factor this problem. First, we got to figure out, are there any common factors? Do you see a variable here, here, and here? No. Okay, what about the coefficients? Here, here, and here, do they have a common factor? If you're not sure, you can check your multiplication chart, see if you find all of those in the same row. And what we can do is start with the 6 and say, oh, the 6 is the factors for 6. And then if we can find the factors for 6, we check to see if there's factors for the other two. So 1 times 6, 2 times 3. Does 6 go into 33 evenly or 45? No. What about 3? 3 goes into 6 twice. 3 goes into 33 11 times. 3 goes into 45 15 times. So we'll use our area model. 6x squared, 33x, 45. And we said 3 would work. So 3 and 3 times 2 gives me 6. And I still need the x squared. 3 times 11x gives me 33x. And 3 times 15. So I can say that 6x squared, plus 33x plus 45 is equal to 3 times 2x squared plus 11x plus 15. Now I need to check to see if this trinomial is factorable. So we're going to use again our area model. This time we're using a 2 by 2 square. And we're going to place our coefficients. A equals 2, B equals 11, and C equals 15 in our boxes. A equals 2, B equals 11. We know these and this add up to 11, and C equals 15. So how are we going to fill in this one and this one? Well, we know two things. We know that these add up to give me 11. But when I multiply them, I should get the same as when I multiply those. So they should multiply to give me 30. That's AC. We can use our X problem to do this. That's AC. That's we multiply. And this is the sum. AC 2 times 15, that is 30. And B is 11. So what numbers do I multiply? That'll give me 30. But when I add them, gives me 11. So let's start with 30. 1 times 30, no, that's 31. When I add them. 2 times 15, that's 30. When I add them, it's 17. Okay. 3 times, 10. 3 times 10, that's 13. 4 does not work. 5 times 6, and there it is. It's 5 and 6. So those are the numbers that go in my missing boxes. Okay, and it doesn't matter which way you do the boxes. Next, now that you're done with this, you're not going to worry about this anymore. You're going to find the factors that give you 2 and 6 and 5 and 15. And this is just like a multiplication chart. So 2, how do I get 2? 1 times 2 or 2 times 1. So I'm going to put the 2 here because if I put it 2, I can't multiply 2 with any whole number to get 5. That won't work. So I'm going to put 2 times 1 there. And then to get 6, it's 2 times 3. to get a 5 is 2 times 5. Then we go 5 times 3. That gives me 15. That's a good check to make sure it works. And now we're going to say, what variables are we working with? We're working with x and x. So this means that this trinomial here is equal to 2x plus 5 times 1x plus 3. Let's write the whole thing down. So 6x squared equals, plus 33x plus 45, and we'll write it underneath, is equal to 3 times 2x squared plus 11x plus 15, and that is equal to 3, and we're going to grab those from here, times 2x plus 5 times 1 times x, that's just x plus 3. So that is the factored form of this. That is completely factored.